Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the snap type and fabric condition so you can choose the right removal method and replacement. Once you identify sew-on versus rivet or press fit, make sure the area is clean and reinforced. Thin fabric benefits from a small patch of interfacing. You'll need basic tools, pliers, an all or small screwdriver, a hammer, and the correct size replacement snaps, so you won't stop mid-repair. Begin by marking the snap center. You remove the existing snap by working gently to protect the fabric. For rivet snaps, use an awl to lift the head slightly, then grip and twist with pliers until it comes free. Hammer the post out if needed. For sew-on snaps, clip the threads as close to the base as possible and pull the components away without enlarging the hole. For press-fit snaps, wedge a thin chisel and twist to separate parts, keeping the hole intact for the new snap. You align the replacement snap using the center mark and an anvil or backing block to support the fabric. Once positioned, set the snap with firm, controlled hammer blows or a hand press tool. Make sure the cap and socket seat flush without crushing the fabric. After setting, test the closure through 5 to 10 open and close cycles to confirm retention. If it feels loose, reseat the post or add a small reinforcing patch. If the fabric puckers, replace with a larger backing for even pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.